the fuck out of Canada and the US and come to the Philippines. This is the motorcycle edition. So it's going to be a commute that I do every day to the gym. It's a one-way that I do, 5 minutes the whole thing. It's on a Saturday, so not a lot of traffic, but you get to see the chaos of traffic. I'm Crazy Craig. This is Dad's in the Philippines, and this is me